Have you ever wondered how a city is planned, or what goes into creating sustainable urban spaces? Welcome to our exploration of city planning and urban development, where today, we're discussing the Ministry of Urban Affairs launch of the amplifi 2.0 portal. This innovative tool provides raw data from Indian cities on a single platform, allowing for more efficient and effective city planning. Moving on to our next point of interest, we find ourselves in Kanpur, where Tata Power's Arm is making strides in sustainable transportation. They're setting up 12 electric vehicle charging stations across 6 strategic locations. This initiative not only encourages the use of electric vehicles, but also provides convenient charging points for EV owners. Meanwhile, the Cochin shipyard has been hard at work building 3 anti-submarine warfare ships for the Indian Navy. Named INS Mahe, INS Malvan, and INS Mangrol, these ships mark a significant advancement in the country's naval capabilities. In the realm of agriculture, the World Bank has funded the National Agricultural Higher Education Project and Indian Agricultural Research Projects in New Delhi. This investment supports scientific research and higher education in agriculture, aiming to improve the sector's productivity and sustainability. On the 29th of November, the Indian Navy hosted the maiden edition of a high-level virtual interaction named MAHASAGAR. This event brought together naval experts and officials for a thought-provoking exchange of ideas and strategies. In another significant development, Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh inaugurated the 40th Coast Guard Commanders Conference in New Delhi. The conference provided a platform for the Coast Guard's top officials to discuss strategies and address challenges. The Indian Railway is also making significant technological strides, upgrading its anti-collision tech covers to LTE-based 4G/5G. This advancement will enhance safety measures and improve the efficiency of railway operations. Moving on to the topic of waste management, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs organized a conference titled Accelerating Waste to Wealth and Circular Economy. This event aimed to discuss strategies for waste management and the promotion of circular economy principles. In another major step towards financial inclusion, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik launched Amma Bank, bringing 4,373 gram panchayats into the fold. This initiative will provide rural communities with better access to banking services. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, has also taken a significant step, setting up an 11-member task force to examine the impact of the Digital Personal Data Protection (DPDP) Act of 2023. In international news, New Zealand is set to scrap its generation smoking ban, as confirmed by the newly sworn-in Prime Minister Christopher Luxon. This move aims to address the public health impact of smoking. In a noteworthy judicial development, the Cabinet has approved the continuation of the scheme for fast-track courts to ensure swift dispensary of justice. This initiative aims to expedite the judicial process and provide timely justice to litigants. The Cabinet also approved the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan PM Janman. This campaign seeks to address the legal needs of the tribal population and ensure their access to justice. In a record-breaking environmental initiative, Assam's Chief Minister, Himanta Biswa Sarma, received the Guinness World Record Certificate for the Amrit Briksha Andolan. This initiative involved planting over 1 crore seedlings in a single day. The 26th Bengaluru Tech Summit has drawn global attendees from over 30 countries, themed Breaking Boundaries. This event showcases the latest tech innovations and encourages the exchange of ideas among tech enthusiasts worldwide. In fiscal news, the Uttar Pradesh government presented its first budget of 28,760 crores for the fiscal year 2023 to 2024. This significant budget allocation aims to boost the state's development and welfare initiatives. In a somber note, the world bid farewell to the famous American diplomat Henry Kissinger, who passed away at the age of 100. His diplomatic efforts and political insights have left an indelible mark on the global stage. In a progressive move, Nepal became the first South Asian country to officially register same-sex marriage. This step signifies a significant stride towards equality and inclusivity in the region. Union Minister for Mines Pralhad Joshi launched the first ever tranche auction of critical mineral blocks at a function in New Delhi. This initiative aims to boost the country's mineral sector and ensure the sustainable use of critical minerals. The Government of India addressed climate action measures at the India Global Forum in Dubai. This platform allowed the country to showcase its commitment to environmental conservation and sustainable development. In a bid to strengthen maritime ties, the Indian Coast Guard ship Sajag arrived at Old Sultan Qaboos Muscat for a 3-day visit. The visit aimed to reinforce cooperation with the Royal Oman Police Coast Guard. The Rural Marketing Association of India appointed Puneet Vidyarthi as its president. In his new role, Vidyarthi is expected to bring fresh insights and strategies to rural marketing. In a significant humanitarian feat, Abdullahi Mir won the UN Nansen Award for educating displaced children. His efforts underscore the importance of education in crisis situations and provide hope to displaced children worldwide. In a peace-building initiative, the Government of India and the Government of Manipur signed a peace agreement with the United National Liberation Front, UNLF. This agreement aims to resolve long-standing conflicts and promote peace and stability in the region. In sports news, Punjab defeated Haryana to clinch the title of Hockey Nationals. This victory marks a significant achievement for the state's hockey team. Finally, Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh inaugurated the 40th Coast Guard Commanders Conference in New Delhi. This conference provided an opportunity for the top brass of the Coast Guard to discuss challenges and strategies for maritime security. As we wrap up today's discussion, we encourage you to delve deeper into these topics. Explore, learn, and engage with the world around you. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the first step towards making a difference.